What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Charlotte, North Carolina. We are here for Foxtoberfest. It is going down. This is actually the pre-meet. We are at the Cabarrus Brewing Company and we're just hanging out. As you can see, a whole lot of Fox bodies. Let's check all these cars out. You ready? Get up there next to Gene. Okay. Gene's up there in the corner. Okay. Sounds good, dude. Uh-oh, set off the alarm. You're excited to vlog, aren't you?
Always excited to vlog.
Yeah, I know, right? So it's getting dark though. We're losing our sunlight.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. I trailed it this time.
It is one hell of a night.
Yeah, I got so beat up last
And the cars like actually look really sick when the light turns on like this.
Came early or came late, or you like right.
This is freaking awesome. This is awesome. So are you still in the show again, Scott?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, always?
Always.
Yeah. I was actually telling on the live stream that I can actually keep up with you a little better this year following you.
I goose it, you goose it.
Right, you know, I picked up a few extra horses, so now I can keep up. I'm still about 400 shy of what you got.
I can hear you behind me now.
I think anybody can hear it. That's loud necessarily, not so fast. But yeah, there's those two. And he had the cutout open. I love that.
I enjoyed it, man.
I appreciate it, dude.
Yeah, it's great to meet you in person.
You too, buddy. Definitely. You gonna be there tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll be there.
All right, buddy.
Thanks.
In the background when I was talking to him.
All right, guys, so as you can see, I have run out of daylight for the Foxtoberfest pre-meet. Shout out to Rob. Shout out to Gene. I mean, they're everywhere. Like, I can't even shout them out because they're all so freaking awesome. But this is the pre-meet. As you can see, it's still full. They're way off in the darkness over there. Everybody's having an awesome time. Got the shirts for sale over there. Live band over there. Cabarrus Brewing Company. Shout out to them for having us. But it's been an awesome time, and we're going to be lighting it off. The next upload you'll see, which actually will be tomorrow for me, will be the Foxtoberfest video. You don't want to miss it. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll holler at you later.